Hello students, and welcome back to Maths class for Standard 8. In today's class, we will be learning how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Let us look at a few cases. The first case is when denominators are same and the difference in value of numerators is large. So when denominators are same and the difference in value of numerators is large, we add 1 to each numerator without changing the denominator. Let's take an example. If we are to find 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 9 and 7 upon 9. As stated, the denominators are the same. So now we have to look at the numerators. The difference between the numerators 1 and 7 is large. This means between 1 and 7 we will find the following numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are asked to find 5 rational numbers and these can be easily found between the numerators between 1 and 7. So the rational numbers between 1 upon 9 and 7 upon 9 can be written as 2 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9 and 6 upon 9. Now how did we get this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? We have added 1 to each numerator. So we have added 1 to 1 upon 9. So it is 1 plus 1 upon 9 which has given us 2 upon 9. To 2 we have added 1 and we have got 3 upon 9 and so on. Now let us take the next case where the denominators are same and the difference in value of numerators is small. When denominators are same and the difference in value of numerators is small, then we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by multiples of 10. Let us take an example. If we are to find 10 rational numbers between 2 upon 7 and 5 upon 7, the denominators are the same. Now let's look at the numerators. Between 2 and 5, can we find 10 numbers? No. We will find only 2 more numbers, that is 3 and 4. So it is not possible to find 10 rational numbers between the given rational numbers. Since the difference in numerators is small, now we will multiply both the numerator and denominator with multiples of 10. So now we are multiplying 10 upon 10. The first rational number 2 upon 7 is multiplied by 10 upon 10. The numerator is multiplied, so we get 20. The denominator is multiplied by 10, so we get 70. The new rational number is 20 upon 70. To the second rational number, again we will multiply multiples of 10 to the numerator and the denominator, so we get 50 upon 70. Now the rational numbers between 2 upon 7 and 5 upon 7 can be written as the rational numbers between 20 upon 70 and 50 upon 70. The difference between the numerators now is large, so it is easy to find rational numbers between 20 upon 70 and 50 upon 70. For this, we will follow the rule that we followed in the first case, that is adding 1 to the numerator since the difference between the numerators now is large. So now we get 10 rational numbers between the given rational numbers, which can be written as 21 upon 70, 22 upon 70, 23 upon 70, 24 upon 70, 25 upon 70, 26 upon 70, 27 upon 70, 28 upon 70, 29 upon 70 and 30 upon 70. One thing you need to keep in mind is when we say we multiply both the numerator and the denominator by multiples of 10, here you can take multiples of 10, and you can write it as 10 upon 10, or you may write it as 100 upon 100. As long as you use multiples of 10, and whatever you take in the numerator has to be taken in the denominator too. So you cannot write 10 upon 100. That will be wrong. You have to take multiples of 10. So you will multiply both the numerator with the multiple of 10 and the denominator with the same multiple of 10. Now let's look at the third case, when denominators have different values. When denominators have different values, we will equate the denominators by finding the LCM. Equate the denominators means we will make the denominators the same. Let's look at the example. To find 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. The denominators are not the same. So by finding the LCM, we will equate the denominators. Equating the denominators by LCM, which is 8, we will multiply the first rational number and the second rational number with the needed numbers so that we get the equal denominators. Now we have the new rational numbers 2 upon 8 and 4 upon 8. Since the difference in the numerators is small, look, the denominators are the same. The numerators are 2 and 4. Now between 2 and 4, will we find 5 rational numbers? No. So since the difference in numerator is small, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by multiples of 10, which is 10 upon 10. Now by multiplying the first rational number by multiples of 10, we get 20 upon 80. And multiplying the second rational number by multiples of 10, we get 40 upon 80. Hence, the rational numbers between 20 upon 80 and 40 upon 80 can be written as 21 upon 80, 22 upon 80, 23 upon 80, 24 upon 80, and 25 upon 80. So keep these in mind, that when denominators are the same and the difference between the numerator is large, then we add only 1 to the numerator. When denominators are the same and the difference in numerator is small, we will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by multiples of 10. And when the denominators have different values, then we will equate the denominators by finding the LCM. These are some exercises that you can practice on your notebooks. Do practice, and if you have any queries, you can ask me. Thank you.